Precision engineering defines the G60. Let us trace its journey from raw steel to the open road.
Raw materials secured. Quality inspection incoming.
Inventory check complete. Production line ready.
Specifications locked. Tolerances remain at sub-millimeter levels.
Cutting process initiated. Precision is paramount here. Forming cycle successful. The panel shape is perfect. Smoothing cycle active. No burrs remaining. Surface prep is clean and ready for coating. Primer layer applied with perfect consistency.
Alignment within tolerance. Forwarding to welding. Begin primary frame welding sequence now. The foundation of the G60 is ready for its structural transformation today. Synchronized welding complete. Joints are solid. The structural integrity of the G60 is now officially locked in place.
Rigidity reinforcement confirmed. Every weld adds to the strength and ultimate handling performance of this new vehicle. Frame geometry is perfectly symmetrical. We are ready to proceed with the suspension and axle assembly phase now. Mounting points prepped for suspension. Precision here ensures the ultimate ride quality for our future BMW axle alignment locked in place. The drivetrain integration is moving forward with perfect timing and total reliability. Torque specs met on all mounts. The suspension is now fully secured for maximum durability and driving performance. Brake system lines secured. Safety is our top priority, and every connection is verified for maximum reliability. Fuel tank installed and sealed. The integrity of the fuel system is paramount for the G60's long-range efficiency. Power plant ready for mounting. The G60's engine is a masterpiece of precision and performance for our dedicated engine coupling is perfect. The heart of the G60 is now securely mounted in its new performance chassis today. Transmission coupling confirmed. The drivetrain is now a unified system, ready for the final stages of vehicle assembly here. Drive shaft alignment verified. The power delivery path is secured, ensuring smooth and responsive performance for exhaust system routing complete. The system is now perfectly positioned for optimal flow and acoustic performance on road. Cooling system ready. The radiator is now perfectly mounted for efficient thermal management during all driving conditions today. Steering hydraulics connected. This ensures the G60 delivers precise and responsive handling for our future driving enthusiasts. Wiring harness fully routed. Every connection is organized for maximum reliability and seamless communication. Control system initialized. The digital brain of the G60 is now fully active and ready for final calibration. Battery power confirmed. The energy storage system is now live, providing the necessary foundation for all vehicles. Floor platform seated correctly. The cabin structure is now united with the chassis. Cabin structure solidified. The safety cell is now complete, ensuring maximum protection and structural rigidity. Panel fitment is precise. Every component is perfectly aligned to create the quietest, most comfortable cabin and windshield frame sealed. This automated process guarantees a perfect fit and superior noise isolation for the quad. We ensure every door closes with the precision and solid feel expected of a luxury BMW today. Dashboard frame set. This provides the structural foundation for the advanced digital interface and premium cabin experience secure. We ensure the vital link between driver and road is perfectly mounted for total control today. Seat track smooth. We provide the optimal ergonomic foundation for our drivers to enjoy the ultimate BMW driving experience. Cluster wiring live. The dashboard is now connected to the vehicle's network, ensuring all critical driving data HVAC system seated. We guarantee perfect climate control, ensuring our drivers stay comfortable in every seat trim finished. The cabin's final aesthetics are now complete, reflecting the luxury and pretend. Pedal response verified. Every input is now precisely calibrated to provide an engaging and responsive driving flawless. Achieving a perfectly smooth finish is the foundation for our signature high-gloss paint quality today. Our robotic systems deliver a uniform and vibrant base coat for that iconic automotive finish today. Clear coat depth is ideal. This final layer provides our signature deep shine and protection against all process initiated. This heat cycle locks in the paint, ensuring a durable and pristine finish for our drivers. Emblem is perfectly leveled. These final details represent the precision and heritage of our brand in every vehicle today. Window seal is airtight. Precision installation ensures safety and a quiet, premium environment for balance.
All systems report green. Every electronic module is fully validated and functioning perfectly for
Fluid levels at spec. Every system is now properly lubricated and ready for the vehicle's very first engine start. Handling is superb. The G60 passes all final performance checks, proving its excellence and readiness for the open road. The G60 is born. Excellence in every detail, now ready to dominate the open road with absolute